So the problem is that for me it's pretty annoying to set up every time when I open Solidworks to remove zeros, or I don't know, to make a font a little bigger of dimensions. And in this video I will show you how you can change it permanently to not change it every time you open the Solidworks. So when you start Solidworks, you see something like this, or like this. Go to the Advanced and go to here to File. You see C program, data, Solidworks, your version, I don't know. Okay, I already have opened this location. Close what you have here and go to that location. Put your drawing file here, drawing file template, and go to settings and change what you want. I don't know, I already have changed it. Font, I put it a little bigger, 5, and here to remove zeros. For me that is painful. Okay, and only saved after that. Only save and close the Solidworks. And next time when you will open, you will see how it need to be. Ciao.